Hello students, I am Surfi Gupta and today's topic of discussion is linear equations in one variable. So if you like my video, kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with the topic linear equations in one variable. But before we start, you need to understand what is the basic difference between a linear expression and a linear equation. You have seen expressions like 5x plus 2, 3y minus 1, x by 3 plus 4. Now, all these are linear expressions in one variable. What we understand with one variable, here is one variable. X is a variable in this first expression. In this expression, y is the variable. In this, x is the variable. Only a single variable is there. If I write x plus y equals to 2 or x plus y minus 2, then this is an equation, then this is an expression with two variables. Here x and y are two variables, but in these expressions only one variable is there. So this is a linear equation in one variable. And why this is a linear equation? Because here the power of x is 1. Here the power of y is 1. Here the power of x is 1. So all these are linear expressions. But one thing you have to take into consideration, if I write 3 by x plus 4, is this a linear expression? No. Because when I take this x to the numerator, the power of x becomes minus 1. And this will not be a linear expression because here the power is not 1, here the power is minus 1. So this is not a linear expression. Now, all these are expressions, but when we equate these expressions to some constant value, whether the constant is 0 or non-zero, then these expressions are converted into linear equations. 5x plus 2. This is a linear expression, but when I equate it to any negative, positive or 0 value, when I equate, there is an equate sign. So we convert this expression into a linear equation. Equation का meaning है, equation means here equate value. Okay? So whenever I equate an expression, so this becomes a linear equation. Now this is not only expression, this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. Okay? Now, this is about. Now, you need to understand about two things in linear equations. There are two parts. One is when a solution is already given to you and you have to check whether the solution satisfies the linear equation or not. And the next part is when you have to find out the solution of the linear equation. Let's check the both parts. First of all, suppose an equation is given to you 5x plus 2 equals to 12 and x equals to 2. You have to check whether x equals to 2 is a solution of the given equation or not. So what we have to do, we have to put the value 2 wherever you find out x. So put the value x 2. X is 2, so I put 2 over here. Okay. So 5 into 2, 10. Plus 2 equals to 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 equals to 12. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we can say yes, x equals to 2 is a solution of the given equation. Now let's check the other part. 3x plus 4 equals to 20. X equals to minus 1. You have to check whether x equals to minus 1 is a solution of the given equation or not. 3 into minus 1, plus 4 equals to 20. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 equals to 20. 4 minus 3 1. 1 is not equals to 20. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So we can say x equals to minus 1 is not the solution of the given equation. In this way you can find out whether the given variable value is a solution to the given equation or not. This is the case when the solution is given to you. Now the next case is when you have to find out the solution. In this we will do 3 cases. You have to find out the solution. Find solution of linear equation. Okay? First is, suppose an equation is given to you, x plus 4 equals to 9. This is an equation given to you. Now, here the variable is x. You have to find out the value of x. Whenever the plus sign from left hand side is taken to right hand side, it changes its sign. Here it is plus 4. When I take it to right hand side, it becomes minus 4. So 9 minus 4. X equals to 5. X equals to 5 is the answer to this equation. So we can say x equals to 5 is the solution of the given linear equation. If you want to check, you can check. This is your equation. Put the value of x equals to 5 in this equation. Where you find x, put the value 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9 equals to 9. So this is the solution and this is true also. We have verified it. Okay. This is the first part. Second part is 2x equals to 8. Suppose this is an equation given to you. Now 2x. X is in multiplication with 2. Now whenever there is a number in multiplication form on the left hand side, when I take this number to right hand side, it becomes divide. Because multiply, when changes its position, it converted into division. So x equals to 8 divided by 2. X equals to 4. Okay. So if you want to check, you can put x equals to 4 in the given equation. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. 8 equals to 8. So this is the solution of the second part. We have verified it also. Now in the third part, in this way we are finding out the solutions. In the third part, suppose the equation is given to you, 2x plus 4 equals to 10. Now here we have to find out the value of x, but with x there is a 2 and also there is a plus 4. First of all, take this plus 4 to right hand side. 2x on the left hand side, plus 4 when goes to right hand side becomes minus 4. 2x equals to 10 minus 4, 6. Now again 2 is in multiplication with x. When I take it to right hand side, it converted into division. So x equals to 6 divided by 2. X equals to 3. If you want to check, you need to verify. Put the value of x equals to 3 in this equation. 2 into 3 plus 4 equals to 10. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. 10 equals to 10. So this is the solution of the given equation. In this way, you can find out unlimited solutions to the given linear equations. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.